Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the WordPress. Today we are going to learn how to upload the image programmatically to the media file. So basically we are going to create a form where we are going to upload the image and we will check whether the media or the image is uploaded to the media folder or not. We are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. First we will create a page that is image upload. So here we go with the I need the custom fields. So I need to go with the plugin. I need to install something classic editor because I don't like that editor. Okay, activate this. Let's go and create the pages. So here we go with pages, add new page. What is this? Edit with Elementor, or we have Elementor. Let me go and disable this all. Deactivate. Deactivate. Okay, or any other plugin? No. Let's go to the pages, add new. Here's some of this, I think, creating a issue over here. Let me go and create the pages. I don't know what happened over here. Add, we will like page upload. Let's choose any of the template. Image upload, this is my template. Publish this template. Okay, view this page. So currently this is that one. So currently there is something issue in that one. So here we have to choose an image to upload that file, right? Let's add the code and check. So here we go with the image upload. So this is the full-fledged code over here. Image upload, sorry, this one, handle files, hook over here. Copy this, adding in our function.php. Let's try to add this. Okay, this we don't require currently. Okay, so this is the image upload. Let's try to upload this image. So this is browse. So any of the image I will pick, like suppose I will pick this image or something like this image. Okay, let's try to upload this image. Image uploaded successfully with attachment ID. Okay, so here we go with this one. So let's go and check whether the image is coming over here or not. So here we go, media. You can see the media is uploaded, right? And if I go upload, try to another image also. So here you go with this one, upload image. Okay, let's go and check this one. Media library, reload this, image is uploaded. Okay, let's check the code level how we are going to, because somewhere if you have a form in custom form you have, then you have a image upload section, then how you, this is gonna be useful in that scenario. Okay, so let's go and check the code level. So first we will check the template. So here we go with the template file, that is page upload. Okay, so let me word wrap this. So here we have this one, template name image upload. So request, if it is a post request and the current user can upload files, handle image upload. Okay, so this is the full-fledged function. If there are the not files, then return, else check the image upload. Okay, and this check the for the errors in the upload file, get the file type. So here we are checking the file type, set the upload directory, and set the destination path over here. Move upload file to the temp from destination path, and we require post name, post title, post content, post status, then attachment ID. Okay, WP insert attachment with the destination path. Okay, if there is no error with the attachment ID, then we will say that the image uploaded successfully with the attachment ID, else we will show that the failed to move the file in the uploads directory. Okay, so this is the template file. Then we have a function.php for manipulating the data. So here we go with that one. I think we have already added over here, where it is page upload. So this is okay. When I click on this one image upload, we have already explained you the function.php file, right? So if I go click on this one, this is that one full-fledged file of that one. You can see that one. Okay, handle function image upload. So this is a function which I have already explained you. Okay, and this is that function for the, this is responsible for uploading the image to the respective folder. And here we have a page upload, so here we have a header. Okay, so here we getting the current post ID, get post ID with, no, this is not that one, this is the this one, form action. So here you need to add the multi-part form data, so this is the form. Okay, and this is the basically the form. You have to create that form, and on the submit we will perform the action. Okay, when there is a upload image submit value. Okay, so this is basic, this is how we are able to upload the images programmatically in the WordPress admin. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.